Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to use the Nano Banana to edit the video using the AI. How to do that? So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. So guys, here I would like to try the Nano Banana from my laptop, and if you would like to know what is Nano Banana, you can simply search for it in the Google, and as you can see here that Nano Banana is one of the AI image editor, and it will edit the image with the natural language using the Nano Banana advanced AI. And here this is the suggestion when you searching for about the Nano Banana, but don't worry because surprisingly you can edit the picture very easy only using the Google Gemini and on the version of 2.5 Flash, and you can try to edit the picture with the Nano Banana just only with this Gemini AI or start from this conversation. And if you would like to try it, then you can start to click the tool here and create image and make sure there is the logo or the emoji of the banana here and click it. And I will give you the example guys. I have tried to change this picture of this Selena Gomez and Benny Blanco here, and I want that this couple to wearing the Japanese wedding dress like this. So you just need to put this picture or upload the picture. You can upload to the picture, and also you can add the prompt like this. I want this couple, Benny Blanco and Selena Gomez, wearing the Japanese dress. I'm sorry. And after the generation process, and this is the result after the generation. As you can see, the picture is really natural, and also the picture of this couple not only following this gesture of or this pose but also create the another pose or position of this couple. And if you would like to see how detailed is this, you can download it first. And if you would like to see the detail, as you can see the hairstyle and also the makeup and also the Benny Blanco itself, he also wearing this Japanese attire but also following his style while wearing this several necklace over here. And even this Selena also put the beautiful hand. What is that? And I would like to try the another picture. For example, I would like to put the another couple, for example this Taylor Swift and also the Trace Travis Kelsey, and I would like to do the same. For example, I want this couple, Travis Kelsey, Taylor Swift, to wear this Japanese dress and enter, and kindly wait for the generation process. So the generation process usually take you until from 1 minute until the maybe 3 minutes, depends on the complexity of this prompt guys. So kindly wait. If I go back to this Selena, I'm sorry, this name is henna that usually being painted for the bride. As you can see, this is very natural and also beautiful, guys. And our picture is almost done. And after waiting for a while, so this is the result. Well, the picture of face of Travis Kelsey is slightly different over here, but how this couple wearing this Japanese attire is pretty natural. And also, as you can see, if I would like to download it and see the detail, as you can see from this hair of this bride is also really natural because using the Japanese style hair of for the wedding or for this bride. And also for this time that this couple also following the pose of the picture here. But the thing is that this Gemini AI or this Nano Banana in Gemini is very helpful because you can edit the picture instantaneously, beautiful and also natural. So don't forget to try this Nano Banana and don't forget to let us know on the comment section if this Nano Banana also worked for you guys. So that's all. I hope this video finds you helpful and don't forget to try this Nano Banana. And if you would like to inform us about the another platform that can do the same just like the Nano Banana do, please don't worry to put it on a comment down below because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.